The wonderful tale of the colorful village. Once upon a time, there was a small and beautiful village near a colorful forest. The village had many lovely homes and toy shops. Children played happily, and everyone lived in joy. One day, suddenly, animals from the neighboring forest attacked the village and destroyed it completely. Only small rabbits survived in the village. Far away, in a vast meadow, a large flock of swans lived. There had been no rain for many years, so the rivers and ponds had dried up. The swans were struggling to find drinking water. One day, in search of water, the flock of swans arrived at the rabbits' village. As they passed through the village, many small rabbits got crushed under the swans' large wings and feet. The king of the rabbits was very saddened upon hearing the news of his subjects' deaths. He immediately called a meeting of all the rabbits. An old and wise rabbit suggested that they should request the king of the swans to avoid passing through their village. Some rabbits reached the lake where the swans were bathing. One of them gathered courage and spoke to the king of the swans, "Your Majesty, you are mighty and powerful. You may not know that many of our family members were killed under your wings and feet. Only a few of us are left. We request you to please take another route through the forest. We will be grateful and remain your friends." The king of the swans agreed and said, "Go, live in peace. You will face no trouble because of us." Years later, the king of the neighboring forest needed many swans for his army. He sent his soldiers into the forest to capture as many swans as possible. The soldiers dug deep pits and covered them with leaves and grass to hide them. Many swans fell into these pits and were captured. They were pulled out of the pits and tied with strong ropes. The soldiers then rested and fell asleep. One swan managed to escape the trap. The king of the swans sent him to the rabbit friends to seek help. As soon as the rabbits received the message from the swan king, they ran towards the forest. They used their sharp teeth to cut the thick ropes and freed all the swans. The king of the swans thanked them profusely for their timely help. Their friendship became even stronger after this incident. The revival of the new colorful village. Due to this wonderful friendship between the rabbits and the swans, both creatures started helping each other immensely. The swans tried to bring rain droplets from the sky, making the meadow green again. The rabbits began rebuilding the village with their tiny hands. Children started playing in the playground once more. Happiness returned to the village. The swans gave rides to the children on their wings and sang new songs with them. The children, along with the swans, spread laughter and joy everywhere. The beginning of new adventures. A new game started in the village. The swans and rabbits began racing together. The swans would fly while the rabbits would run. It was a delightful sight to see. The children clapped and cheered. Every day in the village, a new festival was celebrated. Sometimes it was kite flying, sometimes balloon bursting, and sometimes a festival of colorful flowers. The example of true friendship. The rabbits and swans together created a beautiful garden around the village. It was filled with all kinds of flowers and trees. Whenever a new creature came to the village, they were amazed by the beauty of this garden. The rabbits and swans would welcome them and share their story of friendship. The journey of learning. The rabbits learned about flying from the swans, and the swans learned about running from the rabbits. The children listened to these stories and learned. A new school was opened in the village, where the swans and rabbits together taught new things to the children. Moral: the importance of true friendship. This story teaches that true friendship is not only helpful but also brings people closer to each other. It is a bond that stands strong in every difficult moment and inspires us to always stand by each other. A new chapter of joy. Every day in the village was a new celebration. The children, swans, and rabbits danced and sang to the tunes of joy. The villagers gathered every evening to share their stories and experiences. Thus, the colorful village once again filled with happiness, and together they created a new, colorful, and wonderful world. From this new story, children understand that with friendship and cooperation, we can face any challenge and make every difficulty easier.